I have made my decision, and yes, I'm dyeing my hair for the first time. Wish me luck. Okay, so I have changed my clothes. Like I'm wearing a black T-shirt, which I barely wear, and basically I am planning to dye only small portion of it because I feel like I might make a mistake and I'll regret it. I don't know, but it's just what I'm thinking for now. So I'll just be dyeing only this part. Wish me luck. Let's go. This is the mixture, and I'll be using this dark. Mom got me this from India, and yeah. That is happening, and I am so nervous. What? Hi, I'm dyeing my hair for the first time. Obviously, I have to be nervous. No. By the way, my mom is like a super beautician, you can say. She does everything by herself, so I cannot trust anyone more than her. And that's why she's the first one who will touch my hair. Okay. Yeah, basically, yeah, this is it. Panazar has officially dyed her hair. Basically, it's like bleach. Yeah, I don't know. You can't actually touch like first part is bleach one. That's what I've done right now. On my boots, that's what I'm mostly scared about because like after COVID, I had a major hair fall problem. I don't know if that will happen, but yeah, I'm not getting my shoulder from the day one. Like I don't ever do anything to my hair, but this is the first time I'm doing anything. I'm super insecure about my hair. Like I'm even also like don't do any stuff like skin care or anything, but for my hair I am super insecure and like mostly pumped up. So now when I'm dyeing my hair for the first time, it's like okay, let's just do it. So guys, weird update, but I can feel that আমার চুল গরম হয়ে গেছে, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna say that it happens like bleach করলে নাকি চুল গরম হয়ে যায়. It's because of the chemical reaction. I can see my hair turning. I'm sorry, I'm kind of being like, but it's new to me, so that's why I'm like feeling so furious. Like, oh my god, what the hell is happening? My hair is burning up right now. So is my head. I can see the brown color. Okay, here's the baby. Whoa. Okay, guys. Well, that is the look for now. I kind of started to like the bleach part. Like, I am looking good. I am looking good. I don't know what will happen after I add some blue shades on it, but right now I am just looking good. Oh my god. Okay, so like এখন কালারটা আরো ভালো মতো দেখা যাচ্ছে. I don't know why, freaking god, but oh my god, I look so good. Like I am feeling so happy. It's giving me the motivation to do everything to conquer this life and all. Like, oh my god, girl, you guys should dye or cut your hair, no matter, do whatever you want, cause I freaking know and I get you, cause this gives a tons of motivation to conquer your, like, everything you want in your life. Like, I'm just having a blast of dopamine boost. That's all I know. But I am feeling so happy. I just cannot wait like to post and already my family's and friends reaction is like, oh, I'm loving it. Okay guys, so currently it's 7:37 p.m. yeah, and I just dyed my hair blue. Yes, so for your kind information, yes, you can see a packet of flour. Desi Mom, Desi Solution. It's just because so that chul jate galay na lage, I'm just added packet ta niye amar chuler sathe click mere disse. Yeah, we love it. We love the hack. Okay, so I took a shower and it didn't turn out to be as I wanted, but let's wait for now and see what color it actually turns out.
আমার দিকে
So Baba, you did the news.
কে
What is the money? Go on news to show. Oh. Sorry.
আর বেশি কথা বলতে হবে না।
ঠিক আছে, থাক।
ব্লু চাইছিলাম হয়ে
দেখো। What? শুনুন, পাশে করে দিচ্ছি। পিছনে করবে?
না পুরো না
ওর স্টেপটা আরেকটা
ঠিক আছে। আমি বুঝি।
ও পুরো ওই যে হিন্দি ওই যে গান গাইছে বিদ্যার মতো করে।
বিদ্যার আমি চিনি
ওই
কেন আমার ফেভারিট সিঙ্গার বিদ্যা
আরে হাইড্রা এসে উদ্দেশ্য শুট হবে।
তাহলে তো আরেকটু ব্লু করতে হবে। ওখানে কিন্তু ব্লু হেয়ার কার্টিসি আমাকে করা হবে প্লিজ।
Hey guys, so your girl is back again with another look, and basically, yeah, that's how I look, and that's how it actually turned out. Honestly saying, I wanted the blue color, but I feel like this suits me way much better than blue would be. And another thing, like I should say, this made me feel so motivated and super good about myself that I did this for me, like a transition. Like, oh my god, I bleached my hair. Like, if you know me, you know this was hard to convince to me. Yeah, but I did. Let me know in the comment section below how do I look, and yeah, I want to know your review. Like, and if I dye my hair next, which color it should be, because your girl will do it now. Okay, so basically guys, this is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and let them know that I want to dye my hair too, because I want to change myself. Honestly saying, like cutting your hair, dyeing your hair, it makes you feel a lot motivated and inspired. I don't know why it happens. Maybe there is like a sort of scientific explanation that I don't know, but yes, it does makes you feel so good. So do something to make yourself better every day, like 1% better every day. You don't have to change yourself, do this, do that. No, just one simple change, that's enough. And yeah, that's me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yes, I know that I'm saying this again, but I look good, mashallah. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and remember, 1% better every freaking day. And know that you can do it, and know that I'm always here. So, I love you guys. I'll see you later. Peace out.